Hey guys, how's it going? How to check size of an email in Gmail. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Gmail, all right, and then select the email that you want to check, and then click on the three dots more in the upper right corner of the email, right, and then basically select show original. You're gonna see an option right here to show original. If you don't find it, that means that this feature is not available to you yet, and then a new page will open with details. Look for a total size near the top of the original message details. This will display the size of the email including attachments. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope to. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for